Hello, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Chance David Akiki and I'm back with another class. So today I want us to purposely look at how we can deal with Excel from scratch. Most people have questions on how to use Excel. You find that you have work to do in Excel, but you don't know how to use Excel to come up with that work. So when you open Excel workbook, it opens like this. And there are some few things which we have to understand before we do anything. If you look at Excel application, it's not different from other applications in the Microsoft Office suite. Like Word, it has also the same things that we saw in Word. They're also here. You can look at these ones very well. So in Excel, it has got two things. You look at the columns, these ones which are running from up to bottom. You see these ones which are marked letter A, B, C, D, those are columns. Then it has got rows, 1, 2, 3 onwards, those are rows. And the point where a column and a row meet, this one we refer it to as a cell. This is a cell. Then Excel has got sheets. This is sheet 1. You can click on this plus button to add a new sheet. Yeah, when you click here, you can add a new sheet. You can add as many sheets as you want, depending on what you are doing. Maybe on sheet 1, you can right click, then you give it a name. You rename from sheet 1 maybe to January. Then you can also right click on sheet 2. You right click and also give it a name. I can give it maybe January, then I give it Feb. Onwards, depending on what you are doing, you can create as more sheets as you can. So from there, here in Excel, maybe we want to come up with our heading. We want to write our heading. Assume we have something we want to talk about. Then this area you can provide it for the heading. You can come and select some cells here. Then you can merge these cells together. Maybe to merge the cells, you just come here, you click here. You can merge them, then you write your heading. Then here you can say sales per month. Maybe you want to come up with the sales which were made by a given company per month. So you can increase the size of the heading to the size of your choice. Here you can change the color of the word depending on anything that you wish. So this is what we have so far. We have our heading and I want us to start doing work. So here you can say maybe serial number. Then here you can say the name of the person who has made sales. Here you can say month, a given month. Here you can say how much someone has sold. You can put amount here, depending on anything you want to come up with. So once you are done with this one, you can put your serial number as 1, then you put here 2, and you don't have to write everything manually. Excel is such a smart application. It has got it is automatic in nature in such a way that if you have written 1, 2 and it is in that pattern, then you can just come and highlight these 2, then you drag it down. Maybe assume we want 20 people, then we can just drag it down and release. So when you release, it will be able to autofill. So here names, because names are not given in pattern, you need to write names one by one. Maybe we have Josh. Then you enter or you click this drop down arrow on your computer. It is on the right hand side. Then here you can write David. Then you drop down, you can write Mosh. Drop down, you can write Ellis. Then you drop down until you reach the number you want. Then here with the months. With months also they have a given pattern. If it is January 2023, January 2023. And another thing with these cells, if it is too congested, you can put here, you see, make sure that you get that plus thing there, that black plus thing. You double click, then it can always expand and accommodate your word. So we have January 2023, then here you can have February, February 2023. So it has already made this in this format. You just come and highlight the first 2 months. Remember, we want up to the 10 months. You just drag down. I just think how smart Excel is. When you drag it down, it would be able to detect that this is January 2023, this is February, it goes to March, April, May, June, like that. Then when it reaches on December, obviously it will know that the other one was 2023, now that's January 2024. So that's what makes Excel unique from other applications. So here you can put amount depending maybe how much did Josh sell in January 2023. Let me first, you can even repeat these names, they will repeat in that very order. I want you to see something here. So you see they repeat the same names, but they sold it in different months. Here we have Josh, we have serial number 1 Josh. Josh in 2023 sold something. You can highlight that to see. Then you come and look for Josh again. Yeah, Josh is here in 2023 in May, he again sold. Then you look for Josh in September, he sold something. Then we move down, we look for Josh in January, he sold something. We look for Josh again, he sold in May. So here we can sell how much, we can put how much they sold. Maybe someone sold 18,000, sorry. And this one sold 20,000, 1, 2, 3. And this one sold 22,000, 1, 2, 3. So you can also highlight and you just autofill, not twist it, because these are just examples. Just highlight and autofill. We are just doing examples here. So maybe we want to see which cities, maybe we want to see the cities these people sold these things. And we have our only 4 cities. We have Kampala, we have Fort Portal, we have Jinja, and Hoima. You see this word Fort Portal is out the lane. That's why I told you can just come here and you just double click here, then the cell will, the column will expand and accommodate the word. So we want to fill these cities. Just come and drag like that, then you drag it down, they will repeat themselves in that order, following that very pattern. So you can always extend these cells manually. If you want to create the space between them, you can also put that space that you want. You see what is happening? So that is it. Now assume Control Y. Assume that we want to put our data that we have here into a table. We want to put this data into Excel tables. You just come and highlight everything here. You come and highlight everything like that. Then you go on your computer, you see the button for control. You control it and letter T at the same time. You will get this dialog box. You just accept. You will see a work into the table. So you can copy this work, or you can cut it, Control X. You just come and paste it here. You just paste it here so that it is below, just below my heading. And these ones you can just expand them. Put a cursor there, you double click. They will auto fit the content. You see? So this is what we have. This is our data. So in Excel, we can use Excel to analyze data. we want a graph. We want a graph to represent our data which we have here. So here you just come and click like this, then you go and insert a graph. You click there, then you go to the insert tab. These ones are different type of graphs. All these ones we have, you can maybe choose a line graph, you can choose a bar graph, depending on what you want or what your boss wants. I can come up like with something like this. You just change the title and you write there what is intended. So here you can choose, I can insert something different. I can insert a pie chart. You choose the type of the pie chart you want and you'll be able to have it here. So in simple terms, this is how we can get started with Excel. More videos will be coming. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chance David Akiki. I will come back with another recording so that we can follow together and we come up with what exactly we want. So after you have done your work like this, you can control normally. You come here to file, then you go to save as, and you'll be in a position to save your work. You browse the folder where you want to save your work, then you save your work. I don't want to keep this recording so long. I would wish us to stop here. We meet in another class. Thank you.